No limit one to the rock block. Huh? Turn up. If Lil Rock was here, he'll be off a header. If Pee Wee was here, he'll be off a header. If C-Mo was here, he'll be off a header. If Vito was here, he'll be off a header. If Big Squad was here, he'll be off a header. If Chico was here, he'll be off a header. If Kobe was here, he'll be off a header. Now I'm off a header. This for all my niggas. When we hit the club, man, we 150 deep, you already know. We ain't no shit though, man. Just keep your eyes to yourself, nigga. Watch your step. Bad bitches to the right, weak bitches to the left. Like I said, man, we at a party. You do what you gon' do. You smoke, you gon' smoke. Drink, you gon' drink. Roll, you gon' roll. Do your thing. Just don't step on these all white G-Fazos. You hear me? Gang! Turn up.
I'm rolling, 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 I'm busting this busting, I'm busting this busting. Somebody pass me a water or something. I'm busting, I'm busting, I'm busting this busting. Somebody pass me a water or something. I'm rolling, 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 I'm rolling. And everywhere I go, I'm with my niggas. Everywhere I go, let my chains flame. You a fuck nigga, stay in your lane. This ain't nothing else, cause we gang bang. Turbo stepping out, everything designer. Off of Louis V, drinking Fiji water. Belt Louis V, like my Chewy jeans. Hit the club deep and we off them yappers. All my niggas fly, we came for the bitch, but don't get it twisted, we still for the drama. Pop a lot of bottles, all my niggas with me, the ones you don't see outside with them choppers. Back to what I said, we here for the hoes. All the bitches love me now, I'm getting money, I might pull up in the road. Came from nothing, I just had to let them know. So don't mix me up in this rap shit, I don't rap beef, get you rap quick. I be in the streets, every nigga know me. If you looking for me, you can get to me. 150 with me, my shooters with me. All they know is kill, show no sympathy. And they kill for free, don't get killed for me. Lil' bro got it on him off a pill of 3. We don't show ID, couple shorties with me, told 30 clips, only 16. Fly my bros out, buy some new poles. Spend a few G's, that's a 16. And who this nigga approaching, don't know him. If he do something, put Everett on him. He make a move and you know we start blowing. They rolling, they rolling, they rolling, they rolling. Bitch in my section and I know she on me. After I stroke her, leave her pussy soaking. Suck me up and we gon' fuck till the morning. I'm rolling, I'm rolling, I'm rolling, we rolling. I'm rolling, 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 I'm rolling. I'm busting this busting, I'm busting this busting. Somebody pass me a water or something. I'm busting, I'm busting, I'm busting this busting. Somebody pass me a water or something. I'm rolling, 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 I'm rolling. And everywhere I go, I'm with my niggas. Everywhere I go, let my chains flame. You a fuck nigga, you ain't your lane. This ain't nothing else, cause we gang bang. This ain't nothing to us, cause we so don't fuck with us if you don't. My mama asked me why I got her, cause I can't make no money and still. But for my dead homies got her, cause I know that they was on the same thing. Ran focus, I can't even change lane. 4 Giottos, fully Giottos, bang bang. This one for my niggas. I would've said it, this was for the bitches, but I don't got shit for bitch. Shame all on you niggas on the Instagram, stunting for them bitches, frontin' under pitches. And you can catch me over East, my nigga don't like talking under pitches. If he was a threat, we'll get on that and let my way live. All I know is hustle, moving by the muscle. I won't move a muscle.
I need everybody to say happy birthday to Lou Helfer, man. 1, 2, 3.
If we see the ops, make some windows drop. And who this nigga approaching, don't know him. If he do something, put Everett on him. He make a move and you know we start blowing. They rolling, they rolling, they rolling, they rolling. Bitch in my section and I know